Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Site Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get out of recovery mode on your PlayStation 4. So we have a couple different options under here, and what we want to do is just simply restart it. Now that is one way that we can do it. Now if you haven't got to this point yet, you have to plug in your PlayStation 4 controller with this cable, this charging cable that came with it. And then you have to press the PlayStation button, otherwise you're not going to be able to operate this menu. So you can just go to Restart PlayStation 4 right here. Otherwise, if that's not working and you keep getting brought back into like a loop to restart PS4, go to Update System Software and just try updating using internet. After this completes, it should kick you back over to the operating system. Otherwise, if you go on down to Rebuild Database, this is going to restart your PlayStation 4, and then this should bring you back to the operating system as well. Otherwise, two last resorts, we could try changing the default settings. Otherwise, we could go to change resolution here too. This is going to restart your PlayStation also. And then we have Initialize PS4. If everything else doesn't work, initialize your PlayStation 4, factory reset it. So my first solution would be go to Restart. If that doesn't work, go down to Change Resolution. If that doesn't work, update your system software. Then go to Rebuild Database. Then Restore. This is more of the last option. And here's another last option for 6. So go in that order just to try to fix it. Now, if everything else does not work, you have the option to just manually turn off your PlayStation. So if you go back to this button right here, just hold this down. And you'll hear one beep, and then continue to hold it down, and you'll hear like another beep later on. But this will turn off your PlayStation, and then you can just turn it back on. So I'm going to turn it back on by pressing that button, and this should just get me out of safe mode. So if I go back up to the top now, to my screen, my PlayStation is just going to restart like normal now. So if you're caught in a loop, just go through the different options it provide you, or just completely turn off your PlayStation and then turn it back on. And now I'm good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below.